No cigarette lighter works. No headlights though. Hey, future Robert here. I'm listening to this motor on the car, and when I put it down in gear, it seems like it gets a really bad knock on there. But, you know, not out of gear, it doesn't. It's like when it pulls down the RPMs, and it's just like, you know, got that, sounds like a knock, you know. So I'm probably going to have to pull that out. All right. All right, I took off all those mismatched wheels and just put the factory wheels and tires back on there. Well, the tires were crap, so I got new tires, and then put the hubcaps back on. So it'll be good just to roll it around. Let's mess with the truck. I was jacking around and pushed the emergency brake cable in, and it went real nice. It popped back out. It seemed like it was pulling the cables, but I'm not sure if it was, you know, tight enough. So if we could get that, I think that'd be good enough. Let me get the truck jacked up, take the wheels off, and see what's going on with that e-brake. And then hopefully we can get it to, you know, kind of brake a little bit where we could actually, I mean, we might even drive it up the street and back, depending how, you know, confident we are. But, so let's get this jacked up and take a look and we'll see what's going on. All right, I was twisting it around and pounding on it, and I noticed a little screw right there and right there on the other side. So luckily it just came right out. Look at it. So cool. I'm babysitting. Hey, hey, hey. Gina's new puppy. Anyways. All right, let's push the emergency brake. Let's get you in here. And let's see if I guess I should have checked the emergency brake before. No. See if we can adjust them. Stupid adjuster screws froze. Come on. Working it, it's breaking free. Everything's a battle. I already adjusted them out so they just barely rub. Let's try this again. Oh, rock solid. Other side. What the hell? Groucho, I saw in the truck. You're kind of slacking off, buddy. Oh, sweet. If those were stuck in there, man, that'd be a battle. But luckily there's, oh, that one's not. Oh, come on. All right. Spoke too soon. There we go. Nothing else goes right. At least that's a win. That wheel cylinder looks pretty toast. The other one had fluid in it, so yeah, let's get this one adjusted and then shoot. I'm half tempted to drive it. Spider, almost there. Is it moving? Put our screws back in. That'll be too much. Have to back her off a hair. Yeah. These are my 6-lug wheels. And I think they'll look killer on this truck. I just kind of set that up there. It's going to tuck further in once I'm down, so we'll get her as low as we can. And actually, you know, I do like the steel wheels with the beauty ring and the, you know, baby boom hubcap or something. But these are 8 lugs. All right, got a new radiator, new water pump, new hoses, new fuel pump. Clean the fuel line out, put a new gas tank in there. New plug wires. Readjusted the e-brake. I think it's time. Adjust my milk crate. $1981 was the last time this thing was driving. All right.
drives pretty good. No, not really. But transmission seems to be good. Clutch is good. You know, not bad. That all really matters. We have to decide what we want to do now. Kind of work this e-brake here. We got successful first drive, that's for sure. Don't got no speedometer. We don't get no charging system, so. Nope, killed it. Starts right back up. I'd turn that choke or that idle up a little bit. All right, she did pretty good. I mean, she drives like an old farm truck, that's for sure. There's some noises and clunks and, you know, rattles and scrapes and you name it, but you know, she did all right. I appreciate everybody watching. Check back later. We're going to be doing the 36 to 3100 conversion on here, and I think that's the plan, and then we'll go from there. So we'll catch you next time. Thanks.